May profits be upon you. Welcome to another weekly Forex forecast. We're going to look at the US dollar index. The US dollar is the most important asset of all of the ones that we trade because it affects every market. Every market. And that's enough of that. Let's just go. Let's start here. On the monthly, we're going to do a top down analysis, right? What we can see is price had a bullish impulse, and then we went into this long period of consolidation, right, where we peak above the consolidation to sweep liquidity, trade back into it, push higher, never breaking the high, push lower, just enough to sweep the sell side liquidity. So we swept the buy side liquidity, we swept the sell side liquidity. Where are we going now? All right, October, November, and we are now in December. We are moving in one direction. That should be obvious. All right. Where are we going next? All right. The idea is to go from one PD array to the next PD array. All right. We go from discount arrays to premium arrays, premium arrays to discount arrays. Right. Right here, we see a bullish fair value gap on the monthly, a monthly bullish fair value gap. Right. So from here, we know that price could go higher. Price established it. Listen, let me back up. All right, this candle has not closed yet, but it is likely to close somewhere up here. So we can say, hey, we're likely to see a bullish fair value gap uh, get formed here. All right, all right, and you can see that price is moving bullishly towards this high. A high is a what? A premium array. So this will, because of the proximity, we're going to say this is our next target because it's so close. All right. We see what happened with November's candle. It swept the buy side liquidity, but it did not stay there. All right. This is a sweep. This isn't a trade through. This isn't price running the buy side liquidity. It swept. All right. And pulled back. And now here we are. Looks like we're resuming this bullish impulsive move. All right. So it looks like we're going from a internal from internal range liquidity to external range liquidity, which are the highs. All right. If we now, what I want to do now is find, do we have support for higher prices? Let's look inside of this candle to see if we see bullish fair value gaps on the weekly. All right, here's our target. All right, and yes, we do see one. Look, we are hitting this bullish fair value gap. Let's go back to the monthly so you can see it clearly. All right, it's inside of what is forming. All right, this the monthly bullish fair value gap. All right, but we have a established weekly fair value gap here. Let me draw it correctly. I don't know how it slipped down there. All right. Okay, boom. From from this low to that high, right? And price traded back into it. One candle, second candle pulls out, and then you saw the sellers come back in, smash. What the heck? What the heck was that about? All right. Well, the fair value gap held. We form a fractal. All right, a fractal low, and price pushes up past the high of the previous week. We closed above that high. That means price traded through, price ran the liquidity above that high. And it looks like because price closed beyond the high of the previous weekly candle, it's a bullish indication, which would allow us to think price is heading towards that weekly target. All right. If we go to the daily, do we have any more support for higher prices? All right. We don't see bullish fair value gaps here, right? But we do see one down here, all right, which led to the sweep of the bullish fair value of the bullish the buy side liquidity here. price pulled back and then continued to trade through with a nice close above the previous high and the consolidation. So, do we have support for higher prices? It would have been nice if there was a bullish fair value gap here, but what we do have is a very bullish candle, and you're looking to see if price will go higher, and you only go down one time frame. All right, there's no bullish fair value gaps here, but we do have a fair value, an area of fair value here. This is your order block. All right, you have the sell before the buy, the sell down before the buy up. Okay, and I'm gonna get this a golden. What is it? All right, and price stung back into it, moved up higher. Here we are again, back into this area of fair value. And what we're looking for is see if price finds its way up here. So come next week, I'm looking to see if price will continue higher from these prices without having to take that low, without breaking structure, because there's no fair value gaps to speak of in this leg, this bullish leg here. All right, now we can go down to the 1 hour and likely find bullish fair value gaps here, but I don't want to go any further than this. I think we have enough evidence to see that there's we're looking at a bullish week with a break above the structure here, and price found its way back to the breakout area, the breakout line, the breakout level, I should say, and I'm looking for price to continue higher. That's it. I'm looking for something like this. Okay. I will see you in the next video. Hey, thank you for watching, and do hit that like button. All right. If you watch the video and you like the video, just remember to hit the like button. That's all. It helps my channel grow. And make sure you keep up with the updates for this trade idea by checking the comments below the video. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you very much.